This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Aretha Valentine. Located in a quiet area on a corner lot. Relax on the large front porch or the large living room with swirled ceilings, newer windows, newer lighting, and new carpet while cooling in the newer HVAC. Detached garage/workshop has electricity. The fully fenced yard also has a detached shed. Newer HVAC, kitchen cabinets, countertops, appliances and more. For more information, review the details below.